What is going on, guys? Glad to be back here today to show you guys a educational video on how to enter the infamous, very successful GC KRYPTON alerts on KuCoin. I know you guys are familiar with Armin's video on inputting these alerts on Binance, similar to KuCoin, but not quite exact. I know it's confusing for some, so I took the time to create a video showing you guys how to input these alerts on KuCoin in futures. So without further ado, guys, you need to first create a KuCoin account. Okay, this KuCoin app is available, I'm pretty sure, almost worldwide. I know it's available in North America, many parts of Europe, Asia, South America. It's a very solid exchange, low fees, high liquidity, many coins available, and I really like KuCoin, guys. So I created an account for you guys, some play money to show you guys an alert example. We're going to use today this alert here that was issued recently. This is OMG USDT short, this alert right here. And we're going to go to KuCoin, guys. First things first, of course, we're going to have to fund our KuCoin accounts. All right. I'm not going to get too much into the details on how to fund the KuCoin account. There's many ways to do so. I typically send myself Bitcoin or Ethereum to the account, and it'll end up in the main account in KuCoin when you check your assets in the bottom right corner. And you'll have to eventually click transfer your USD tether over to the futures wallet over here. You have to have futures enabled, of course, to do so. Once you have futures enabled, once you've transferred your funds over to your futures wallet, you are going to be able to trade futures. Okay. Here in the bottom right, you can see here beside assets, you have your futures. This is where you're going to actually be executing your trades. So for the OMG USDT alerts, we need to make sure, of course, we have our OMG USDT pair. Here I've searched it up, OMG perp USDT. That's all right that it says perp. It just means for perpetual, means you're trading futures. It's all right. And then we're going to see what direction we're going. We're going short, meaning we're selling, meaning we want the trade to go down. We want the price action to move down. We want to buy high, obviously sell low. So we want this trade or the price to move down for OMG USDT. Now, we have to enter between 6.018 and 6.119. So I'm looking at the chart right now. Current price action, we're sitting at about 6, almost on the dot. So if I wasn't making this video at this time, I would actually wait for price to move a little bit up. Right now it's at 6.0. I wanted to get like in that sweet spot 6.01. We just had a couple red candles, but regardless, for the sake of this video, guys, I'm gonna enter it anyways and show you guys how it's done, because we actually haven't hit our first target yet. Our first target is at 5.91, and we're right at 6.0, 5.99. So we're not quite there yet. Our target is below us, and we're selling, so we're trying to get there. We haven't gotten there yet, and we haven't gotten there since the trade was issued. We reached down to 5.96 one point here. You can see this wick right down here, but we haven't gone to our first target yet. So the trade is still valid. I'm going to enter it for you guys. So once we have some money in our KuCoin accounts, guys, I want to let you guys know a piece of advice. Of course, with all trading and investing, only trade and invest funds that you are willing to risk. These funds can be lost, especially in futures trading. Futures trading is highly volatile, highly risky. You're using leverage. Leverage is essentially borrowing the broker's money, increasing your position sizes, okay? And with the volatile crypto market, guys, these moves can be very detrimental or very beneficial to your account, depending which side you're on, okay? So be very careful. I'm risking very small amounts, especially for an educational video, guys. I'm just showing you with $25 I have in my futures wallet just for this video. All right, I'll be risking all at 25 bucks, but it's for you guys. I want to show you guys how this works. All right, so with that being said, OMG perp USDT top left corner, you guys see that? I'm going to have buy sell option. Obviously short, I'm going to go sell. I'm going to make sure beside my market, all right, I'm having market switched on. All right, even though my price fell out a little bit out of my entry range, but still not a TP1 yet in my first take profit, so I'm still going to go market just for you guys. See margin here, I'm going to set it at leverage 5x, okay? 5x, you see here. and I'm going to go 100% of the funds in my account here. You guys see available USDT, $25, $25.01. All right. It's very important that if you guys have more funds, you guys only risk the funds that you're willing to lose. Typically, in my Binance portfolio, I only risk about 3% per trade. I know Armin also risks about 3% per trade. That is the standard risk allocation per trade. So if I have let's say $1,000 account, I'm risking 3%. That's about $30. That's what I'm trying to get at here. I risk about 3%, $25, $30 on a normal portfolio. This is, of course, a practice video. This is where KuCoin and Binance differ rather significantly. This is how I'm going to be splitting up the trade between the different take profit levels. As you can see here, there's multiple targets in the trade. Here we have 3 targets. So basically take profit 1, 2, and 3 consecutively. This is how I'm going to be inputting them in KuCoin. So the money that I transferred into my futures wallet, I'm going to be using all of that for one trade. That's what I'm going to be doing for KuCoin. Whatever money I want to send or use for a trade, $25, I send that over, transfer that over to my futures wallet. I use all of it. This is how I split it up into each trade, take profit rather. So my first trade, TP1, I'm going to go 50%. I click 50% here in my toggle buttons, 50%. I go profit and loss. For take profit price, I go, let's see here. We have 5.917, 5.917, and a stop loss of 6.197. Let's sell it, confirm the order. Second one, another 50%, click profit and loss. Let's see here. We have another profit level, take profit 2 is 5.775. And then my stop loss is the same, 6.197, 50%. Sell it. Another 50%. Let's go 100%. We're going to go for the final one, 5.599. 5.599. Same stop loss, 6.197. 100% of it. We're going to sell 100% of it because it's going to be the final position we're going to sell at. So our final take profit, just like that. Oh, it's telling us the balance is insufficient. So we don't actually have enough to sell the rest of it. So what does that mean? This is a good lesson for you guys. Because I do not have enough money or funds to sell my last take profit because I have less than $10. Okay, so if I have less than $30, I won't be able to place 3 target levels because I need $10 minimum to place a trade. Does that make sense? So this is a good learning lesson for us. We're gonna have to cancel, okay, our second take profit. So our latest, basically our latest alerts here, it's this one right here. Let's cancel the last 2, all right? And now we're gonna place for take profit 2 now, our second target, we're gonna sell 100% at the second level. So I don't have enough funds to do all 3 targets. So I only have enough funds to do 2 targets, take profit 1, take profit 2. So for my second target, I'm gonna now put it 100%. And let's see here. Let's see here in 1 second. Let me just, last update here. You can see for the available USDT, it's not updating for me yet. Okay, so let's go ahead and sell the last amount here. 5.775, 6.197, sell it. And there we go. All right. I know it's a little confusing, but basically what happened was I put in my take profit 1, sold 50%. Take profit 2, I try to sell 50%. Take profit 3, I try to sell 50%. But I didn't have enough funds left for my last target. So I had to cancel my original take profit 2 and then reinstate it. All right. Instead of 50%, reinstate it as 100%. Okay. Take profit. All right. And that is how I input my alerts from the GC KRYPTON channel onto KuCoin, guys. So thank you for watching. I hope it helped. I know it's a little bit different than Binance, maybe a little bit confusing. So take the time, watch this video, maybe rewatch it. And as always, guys, all trading and investing involves risk. Please allocate proper risk management, proper trading etiquette. Happy, safe trading and investing, guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.